Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to disable shared quest completion on a Windrose server. First, you have to head over to Server.pro and open up your Windrose server. Once you're in there, click Stop button to fully stop the server. Once that's done, head to Files and enter the following folder, then open Server Description. Once you're there, locate the following line, World Island ID, and copy the ID there. You'll need this ID to locate the correct world folder later. Then once that's done, head to R5 again, Saved, Save Profiles, Default Rocks DB, whatever game version, and then Worlds. Then open the folder matching your World Island ID. For example, I pressed Ctrl and F and found it. So now, inside that folder, I'll find the world description.json file. Once we're in there, look for the following parameter and change its value to false. Once that's done, click the save button. Now all you have to do is start up your server again, and shared quest completion is now disabled on your Windrose server.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.